Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix mobile network no SIM issue. In the beginning, first thing you should try is turning airplane mode on and off. If the problem still occurs, remove the SIM card tray, clean the SIM card chip and insert SIM card once again. If there's still problem, let's go to settings, mobile network, mobile data, and enable mobile data if it's disabled. In case there is still problem with your mobile network, there is one last thing you can do. Enter System, Reset, Network Settings, and Reset Network Settings. Thanks to this, your smartphone will download SIM data again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.